Hey guys, this is Akshat and welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you some quick Instagram tips and tricks which you can easily use. So let's get started. Ever wanted to see someone's InstaDP in full size but didn't know how? So open your web browser and go to instadp.com. InstaDP allows you to see anyone's Instagram profile picture in high quality and in full size. You just have to enter the Instagram username of the person you want to see the profile picture and click on the search button. Now select the username and tap on full size and you'll get to see the image in full size, and you can also save the image on your device. Restricting an account in Instagram. Restrict is a new privacy feature in Instagram. Once you restrict someone, they won't be able to see when you are online or if you have read their messages. To restrict a user from their profile, first navigate to their profile and tap the menu button from the top right corner. Here select the restrict option. A restricted user also can't directly message you on Instagram DM. Their messages will be moved to the message request section and you won't receive notification from their account either. You can read their messages from the message request section. Download any Instagram photo, video and IGTV video. Go to Instagram and open the video or photo which you want to download. Tap on more options and select copy link. Now open your browser and visit www.downloadgram.com. Now paste the video link in the box and tap on download video. The Instagram video will be played and the video will be saved to your device. Instagram is now finally available for Windows 10 users. So how you can download and install Instagram on your PC and laptop. So click on start button and type Microsoft Store app. Search for the Instagram app. Click on install and download the application. Once installed, open the app and log in into your Instagram account. This app works same as mobile application. You can post and edit photos, view stories of your friends and even use Instagram direct feature. So that's it for this quick Instagram tips and tricks. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and I hope to see you in the next video. Till then, take care.